Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to fix Tonkeeper's wallet app not working. So let's get started. Go guys, first thing, check your internet connection, and you should have stable internet connection and strong internet, and check the app dates or not for launch and Play Store or App Store. Check your update the app and going to search box guys and keeper, then search. After that, going to option and open updates and find option update. Just click update and the latest version and check the problem has been solved or not. And the second step guys, go your general and option iPhone, go to iPhone storage and make sure you have enough storage on your device. If you can delete some apps, and this is how you can do guys. So I have this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content. This third, the last solution guys, you can offloading app and clear cache. This is how you can do, and click reinstall app and install again. Guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel.